Disney's Old Key West Deluxe Studio. All right, so we stayed here for one night last night. Check it out today. Moving Resorts, we're going over to the Yacht Club. So stay tuned because we'll do a room tour there. But, so we've stayed at Old Key West once before, and we stayed in the one-bedroom villa. So this is actually our first time in the Deluxe Studio, and it was really nice.
Yeah, it's big, too, for a Deluxe Studio.
Yeah,
so.
All of the rooms here are really spacious. So we've got our 2 queen beds. And
then they have some cool artwork. It's like this one's like buoys. Looks like water buoys. Kind of all like Old Key West stuff.
Florida, Old Key West. I love this little picture of Minnie Mouse sunbathing. And then even like the handle has like seashells on it and stuff. So here's the nightstand. You got some storage here. And this is the USBs and plugins. If you go underneath, you'll notice that there's the luggage storage.
Yeah, that's nice.
Which is so nice.
Makes the room even bigger.
Exactly. We've got WDW Today on. Love it. A little dresser. Actually, I will point out, this TV is a little small.
It is a little small. I think the video might be making it look big, but as you can see, it is fairly small.
Probably the smallest TV I've ever seen in a
Disney
resort.
Well, at their one bedroom, we had the big screen.
Huge TV. So drawer space here, like a full dresser.
Okay.
Seating area over here.
Another little
cute
artwork.
Little picture.
Key
Oh,
West.
that's
that
looks like Lilo and Stitch. And
Hawaii.
Honolulu, but isn't that cute how the surfboard is decorated like that?
Yeah, it is cool.
Yeah. So this is a little seating area.
Okay.
I think I point this out on like every video in the, since we've been from COVID and everything. Enhanced cleaning is happening, and the rooms are always so nice and clean. Okay, bathroom, and again, big area, trash, recycling. So the Deluxe Studios have a kitchenette. So we have the fridge, and it's a good size fridge.
It is a good size refrigerator.
Yeah.
Put waters, different stuff like that in there.
Coffee pot, which Corey made our Joffrey's coffee this morning.
Yep.
Microwave, ice bin, all of the plasticware and things like that. Sink, toaster, tea and coffee. And then you have like paper towels, and they do give you a scrubby and dish soap too. So.
So you could bring some stuff. We'll sometimes bring like oatmeal packets and stuff like that with the microwave, which comes in handy.
It is.
And then
closet over here.
Yeah, we used the extra blanket and stuff last night,
It's all cold. That's another weird thing about this room though. The temperature control has been funky. Like
cold
we've
or
been
hot.
freezing, so then we try to like bump it up and then we're hot. So we definitely used the extra blanket last night. They have the luggage rack, hangers, ironing board, and then if you want to vacuum on your vacation, go for it.
There's 2.
But I do not. Okay, big bathroom. Just the one sink. It's not the double sinks, but plenty of like counter space.
It's nice too.
We already packed up our H2O products. We had a soap and a lotion. Corey already packed that up because we're checking out. Towels and extra, tissue and hair dryer. And then over here is the tub. So a nice shower head.
Yeah, it was nice.
This one has the H2O pumps. So yeah, just a basic bath shower. All of the towels are hanging up over here. We used them. But, so not like, there's no like private toilet area in this one. But it's still a pretty good sized bathroom. And then I love this full length mirror.
You get ready.
And then we have a patio.
Yep. Yeah, these rooms are big. It's good for like if you got some kids and family. You could definitely sleep a good amount of people in here.
Well, 4.
4, yeah. I guess you could probably order like a rollout, maybe, or no?
No, you can't. But if you need a pack and play or a crib, or like a young one. If anyone has ever stayed at Old Key West, they know that the like shades are a workout. Did that last night.
And then we have like
We have a cool view actually. So it's a small patio, I will say that. Last time we stayed here, oh, we're getting fogged up.
all right.
Are you
Cool.
good?
Yep.
Okay. So last time we stayed here, and I'm gonna link that video too, because we stayed in a 1-bedroom villa, so I'll link that. So go check that one out. We had a huge patio.
Yeah.
This is still, you know, something where you could come enjoy your morning coffee. I think we're fogging up again.
Yep.
But you can see the water fountain and the water feature.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can even see some golfers over there.
Someone golfing. You could critique their swing.
Oh look, they're riding around in their golf cart. And then like pretty palm trees. This camera is totally fogging up. But anyways, I really do like our patio. And the fountain is like nice and kind of relaxing, you know? Did you like our stay here?
I do. This is, I really like Key West. It's one of my favorite DVC resorts. I like it a lot.
Yeah, I like the vibe.
Yeah, it's fun. It's a good value for your points too. So it's just a good overall stay.
Agreed. And I think we're gonna go check out the store. Go head over to like the hospitality house area. All right, so we are checking out and we're gonna go down to the hospitality house, but probably one of my favorite things about this resort.
Yeah.
Do you even know what I'm gonna say?
The colors.
No, it's a good guess. It has something to do with the aesthetic or the outside.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what I'm gonna say?
The shutters.
Come on, man. The banisters
Oh.
with the Mickeys. Isn't that just the cutest thing in the world?
That's cool. I like the colors.
I want that at the house. Could we get that at a house?
Yep.
Do you think you could add that for us in our backyard, please?
We'll put up the backyard fence and it'll be that.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I want that. I love it. We're on the 3rd floor, by the way.
Yeah.
So, we're gonna go down to the hospitality house. Here we are. I want to take a look into the general store, but this is the bus area. And this is the hospitality house. I have another, I think I mentioned this, but I have another like kind of old Key West video when we ate at Olivia's. I'll link that too. Here's Olivia's. We love that one. I like those are seriously some of the best Mickey waffles I've ever had, which
yeah, that's a top breakfast spot I think on Disney property. It's really fun.
Yeah,
it has that diner feel. I love it.
You had the French toast. Oh, the banana bread French toast there.
That was good.
Yeah, so good. Okay, let's see what we can find. Again, just love the theme and the music. Such a cute little general store. Oh, and I love how they have all the old Key West stuff too.
Speaking of, I'm gonna check out the...
Interesting. I love that though. Corey, did you see this? Like the old Key West merch?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Look at this is like a little Disney's old Key West. It's like a little crop.
The BBC. It's cool.
Oh, honey, they even have shorts. Those are fun.
It's small too.
Those are super fun. And a robe.
Oh, yeah,
This looks super comfy. Wow. What?
On our last day, this was kind of like our view right here, where we had that bridge where the hospitality house is over there, and we had this green. This was like where our room was.
I know, so we should buy that. The gurgling suitcase is like the little bar around the corner, so that's cute. And this is cute too. Corey really likes the gurgling suitcase shirt. And I thought this one was super cute for him, but they don't have his size. Do they have any other like DVC shirts that you like?
Yeah, I like it all.
Okay, that's cute with little Mickey in his lounge chair.
It's an extra small.
It's a women's shirt.
You don't see a lot of extra smalls at Disney.
Oh, honey, did you see the mug?
Mm-hmm. Cool, huh?
I have not seen this.
That's cute. Well, it must be new because that's like that new
Yeah, kind of
Mickey
like
mini cartoon.
yeah. That's really neat. That's cute. Ooh, and a towel too. And then back over here, they have all of the like food and all that stuff if you need anything for your kitchen, in your room. All the goods back here. I actually have a couple videos of this breakfast that I can link down below. But I love it, and I love, thank you. I love all of the nostalgia of that restaurant with all of the like pictures of families over the years. So I'll link a couple videos from that dining experience as well. So that's our stay at Old Key West, just one night. Oh, I can take this off outside. And stay tuned for our stay at Old Key West.
At Yacht Club.
Stay tuned for our stay at Yacht Club. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.